So guys, I have come to Vardenchi showroom in Goregaon and here is Rahul, right? So I have I didn't plan to do any modification as such, but when I came here, I look at this, when I look at all those bikes. Something in me just started biting, and I just thought I'll make some changes. And I like the silencer. I'll put a short video of the silencer also, and I really like the sound of it. And Rahul has given me some quotations for the headlights and modifications like changes that I can do in my bike, maybe on a later date. So I would recommend people, guys, you come here and just have a look around, and I'm sure that you'll fall in love with most of the bikes here. Thank you.